Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Trek Z series trekking poles. So this comes in a bag that looks just like this, and it comes in a pair of poles. And so the reason why I wanted this was simply because going downhill or going down mountains, it's pretty difficult for me, so that's where these come in handy. But as you can see, they have like a Velcro strap here for when you actually do put it away, and the Velcro strap actually stays on. Now as far as the pole itself, it does interlock just like this. So with this pole in particular, I'd say they do have a multitude of different colors. So I have this one and the green one, and there is a locking mechanism that you see right here. So if I actually peel off this tape first, the locking mechanism basically places the poles in place. You can see that it does extend quite a bit, and it does kind of lock into place. Now as far as the handles for the poles go, anytime I get a trekking pole, it's like a must-have that they must have a wrist strap, okay? Just because I'm not going to be using the pole every single time. So to have wrist straps like these is pretty convenient, and the grip for it does feel really nice. But with these poles, it can extend to about 130 centimeters, okay? 130 centimeters, so ideally you would want this a bit over your hip waist as far as the length goes. But this is essentially what the pole looks like from afar. And then if we're actually talking about the actual contact point, this is what the contact point here looks like. So let me focus on the camera. This is what the contact point here looks like. So overall, this is my second pair, and I'd say I've had no problems with these whatsoever. They feel extremely sturdy when you're actually using them. And again, you want it just so like there's a slight bend in your wrists. Oh, sorry, a slight bend in your elbows when you're actually using this. But you could extend it to your comfort using this locking mechanism that you see right over here. So again, the tallest that it can be is around 130 centimeters. And then when you want it to lock in place, you just close it and twist it. So this is essentially how tall it is, and I'm about 5 feet and 9 inches. But overall, I'd say I'm very pleased with it. And then once you're done with it, it doesn't take up a lot of room. You simply just pull the poles apart, shorten this up, lock it again, and then Velcro strap it, and there you have it. Afterwards, you just put it away. But I've had no problems with this whatsoever.